In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best hand blender. I'll share the best hand blender and reveal which one took the top spot. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the number 1 hand blender that I believe is the best of the bunch. If you want to check the prices of each product, check out the links in the description, as I've linked each of the products mentioned. Number 5. Braun Hand Blender MQ505. The Braun Hand Blender, the ultimate kitchen gadget for all your blending needs. This powerful 350-watt stick blender features the patented Power Bell system, which utilizes ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a bell-shaped shaft to minimize suction and ensure smooth blending. The high-precision German-engineered motor delivers long-lasting durability and smooth performance. With the easy-click accessory system, switching between attachments is a breeze. Blend, chop, whisk, or puree with just a click. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to whip up everything from soups to smoothies. Discover limitless culinary creativity with the Braun Hand Blender and elevate your cooking experience. Number 4. Cuisinart Hand Blender CSB 179. The Cuisinart Hand Blender, a must-have kitchen essential. This powerful 300-watt hand blender features a quiet DC motor, ensuring maximum performance without the noise. The easy-to-use variable speed slide control lets you switch from low to high speed effortlessly. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft reaches deep into pots and bowls, making pureeing, emulsifying, and whipping a breeze. Included with the blender are a 3-cup chopper, grinder, a chef's whisk, and a measuring cup for all your food prep needs. The comfort grip handle and push-button controls provide convenience and safety. With its sturdy design and versatile attachments, this hand blender is the perfect solution for quick and efficient meal preparation. Number 3. Mueller Hand Blender. The Mueller Hand Blender, your ultimate kitchen companion. This powerful 500-watt handheld blender features 8 adjustable speeds and a turbo mode, allowing you to mix, blend, whisk, and froth with ease. Its 3 versatile attachments, a stainless steel blending shaft, a frother, and a whisk, make it perfect for smoothies, whipped cream, and even baby food. The ergonomic grip and non-slip handle ensure comfort during use, while the detachable components are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're whipping up lattes or tackling dense ingredients, the Mueller Hand Blender helps you fast-track your cooking and rediscover the joy of preparing delicious meals at home. Number 2. KitchenAid Hand Blender KHBV 53. The KitchenAid Hand Blender in sleek matte black, your go-to tool for effortless blending. With an 8 inches removable blending arm and a powerful 4-point stainless steel blade, this hand blender quickly transforms ingredients into smooth soups, creamy milkshakes, and delectable hummus. The user-friendly variable speed trigger gives you total control over your recipes, ensuring perfect results every time. One standout feature is the USA patented removable pan guard, which protects your cookware from scratches while blending. The included 3-cup BPA-free blending jar is perfect for single servings and doubles as a storage container for your creations. With its durable construction and ergonomic design, this KitchenAid hand blender is not just efficient, but also a stylish addition to your kitchen. We have number 1, the Turelar hand blender is your new kitchen powerhouse. With a robust 1100 watts copper motor, it easily obliterates lumps, giving you velvety, smooth purees in seconds. The intuitive variable speed trigger allows you to seamlessly switch from low to high speed with just a touch, making emulsifying, whipping, or pureeing a breeze. Cleanup is a cinch, thanks to its food-grade nylon blade guard that minimizes suction and prevents scratches on your cookware. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during prolonged use, perfect for blending enthusiasts. Equipped with versatile attachments that easily detach, this blender is designed for convenience and safety, even with hot ingredients. In conclusion, selecting the right hand blender can significantly enhance your culinary experience. Each of these top 5 blenders offers powerful features and versatility to meet all your blending needs. Let me know in the comments which hand blender is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.